Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted a bunch of gaming videos in a while. Today we are playing Teardown. Okay, let's start. I just got this game, so I don't have too much, but I'll be showing you and having fun today blowing up stuff. And yeah, I've played a few times, but it's not too much. Yeah. So let's get started. Once it loads. Apple Mom. Okay. So, let's wait. How long is this gonna take? It might take a few minutes. Just think about subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button right now. Okay? While you're waiting. Hit that subscribe button. Alright. There you go. We are in. How you like that? Alright, so, here's Teardown, Art Vandals. Yes, oh gosh. Yes, it is very graphic. I love the graphics of this. This is insane. Oh, there's a truck. Should I get it? Should I get it? I'm gonna get it. Oh, health. Oh god. Wait. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? You see that right there? Yeah. Oh. This is amazing graphics. Insane for $30. Yeah, it's $30. So we got a construction site. We have more cars over here. What's this? Oh, it's a missile truck, I bet. Let's see what this thing is. Oh! No. Wait, let's try to knock this treehouse down. Will it work? Oh, wait, it's about to fall. This is amazing graphics, actually. Oh! That's crazy. Yeah, I see no fires. I don't see a fire up there. I don't see any fires. Oh, there is right there. It's tiny. Oh god. Okay. Oh, military? There's like military. Get out of here. Don't eat me. Okay, so. Oh, a little birdie. Yes, I do have weapons. Wait. Can I shoot it? Terrible aim. Oh. Wait, let's go see it. Let's go see it. Check it out. Let's go check it out. What is that? Tell me in the comments what that is. I have no idea what that is. Alright, I'm back. This is actually a pretty fun game, actually. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. It's a pretty fun game. This is, maybe a house. I think, is this a museum? Oh, sorry, dust. Oh, wait, what? You know what I'm thinking. Chill. Subscribe if I do. Like if I don't. 3, 2, 1. That was bull, bro. That sucked. Bridge, ropes, yes, daddy, yeah, yes, yeah, what? Yes, go, 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 go. What was that? Did you just hear that splash? Oh, what? What was that? Tell me if you heard that. What is going on over there? Oh, it's stuff is dropping. Okay, so where do I... Oh, right here. I think this will drop it. Oh, oh, oh. 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 Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh. Holy crap. I didn't think that would support it though. How do I get out? Oh, there's a ladder. Ropes. I can see the ropes. What is this doing? Oh, this is like floating. Oh wait, let's see this. There it goes. How is it balanced? This is actually a pretty fun game, I'm not gonna lie. Now I'll bring this video short, 10 minutes. Don't go watch at hotel. Make my own hotel. You know, I saw a factory over there, so. No, I don't like that car. I wanna go get another car. Bro, I just like shooting things. Oh. Do some damage. No, not on me. What? Okay. No, I really do like this Jeep I just saw in the corner of my eye. No, I really do. I do. I like this. This is nice. I don't want the kidnapping. Oh, whoops. Didn't pass my driver's license. Sorry, that's why I ran into that gas. Wait, there's a gate. Okay. Oh, there's a truck. That's cool. Jeeps. Oh, no. Nah, which... What? Is there anything else back here? A ship? No, I'm getting in that ship. What is that? No, actually, I want to get in here. Can I drive this? What? Yes, I can drive this. Oh, I forgot about the tab we started in. Let's go outside. Oh, can I drift though? Sorry, I suck, guys. trying to run into that bridge. I'm gonna try to run into that bridge. Oh, chill. We're gonna be a little bit over 10 minutes. Oh, but it lagged. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to end there then. Thanks for watching.